If you have a house in Blacklick, Ohio, and you're looking to sell and not pay any realtor fees or commissions, then this video is for you. My name is Dave Perchin, and for over 14 years, my team and I have been buying houses in Blacklick. And when you sell to us as a direct buyer, there are no fees or commissions that you need to pay. Now, before I get into all the reasons why so many sellers in Blacklick love selling to us and not paying fees and commissions, let me clear the air and just let you know, we're not against real estate agents at all. In our company, we use real estate agents when the situation is appropriate. And I used to be a real estate agent. They do a great job. So there's no us versus them going on. It just comes down to your situation. So the three big situations that we see that determine if working with us as a direct buyer will be a better fit than listing the property with an agent is, number one is your timeline and time frame. Number two is the condition of the property. And number three is just your privacy and your personal preferences when it comes to that. So if you're under some kind of tight time frame and you need a firm closing date and you don't really have time to work with a buyer that needs to qualify for a loan, well, we're going to be a good fit for you because we're a cash buyer and we can close on the date of your choice. So sometimes we talk to sellers where there's a bank involved or they're back on payments, or there might be an inheritance situation, a court might be involved, divorce, or maybe they just already bought a new house so they need this one to close so there's not two house payments. If you want to close fast and you want to close on the date of your choice, we're a good fit for you. If timing's not important to you and you have all the time in the world, list with an agent. They're going to find multiple buyers for you, but just know you're going to be closing on their timeline, not necessarily your timeline. Number two is a biggie. It's all about the repairs and condition of the property. If you're somebody who does not want to fix up the property or do any work to the property, then we're a good fit for you because we'll buy the house in its as-is condition. If the house is in great condition and you want to showcase this home and get professional pictures, maybe stage the house, do open houses and stuff like that, well then working with a real estate agent is going to be a good fit if the house is in tip-top shape. Many sellers don't want to put any work into the property, and when you sell to us, you don't got to fix anything, you don't got to clean anything, and you don't got to haul anything away. Finally, situation number three is just privacy. Every week I talk to sellers who just don't want to do any foot traffic. They don't want the traffic. They don't want the people, trekking through the house for whatever reason. It could be a personal reason. So if that's you, sell to us because we don't need to see the house 100 times. We can actually get the process started just based off pictures. We don't need multiple inspections and all this stuff that kind of comes with a traditional buyer that's typically working with a real estate agent. So if you have a house in Blacklick, you want to sell fast, easy, and convenient, you don't want to pay any realtor fees or commissions, we could be a good fit for you. Give us a call at 614-300-5151 or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. And it's an easy conversation. We'll make you a fair cash offer. If our offer works for you, great. If it doesn't, no pressure. We're never going to have any games or waste your time or leave a bad taste in your mouth. We're going to treat you like a neighbor because that's exactly what we are. So once again, if you have a house in Blacklick you want to sell fast, easy, conveniently, and not pay any fees or commissions, call us today at 614-300-5151 or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. My name is Dave Perchin. I look forward to speaking with you, and I look forward to working with you.